Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS UM425Q. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your ASUS UM425Q is running dead slow and takes forever to open anything, you're not alone. This sluggish performance can be attributed to a failing hard drive, which may become overwhelmed with errors or bad sectors over time. If left unaddressed, this issue can lead to data loss and further complications, making your device virtually unusable. To get started on the repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a new hard drive compatible with the ASUS UM425Q. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover, starting from one corner and working your way around to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the hard drive. It is usually secured with screws, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these. Gently pull the hard drive out of its bay, taking care not to tug on any connected cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, with the old hard drive removed, take your new hard drive and align it with the connectors in the bay. Push it in firmly but gently, ensuring it sits snugly. Replace the screws to secure the new drive in place, making sure not to over-tighten, as this can damage the drive or the casing. Reconnect any cables you may have unplugged, ensuring they are seated properly. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back cover of your ASUS UM425Q, pressing down around the edges to snap it securely back into position. Finally, power on your device to check that everything is functioning correctly. If it starts up and runs smoothly, congratulations on your successful repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure you regularly back up your data and run maintenance checks on your device. Keeping your system clean from unnecessary files and ensuring your software is up to date can also help improve performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.